Good afternoon, this is Jan, still in Budapest. It's about 3 o'clock, I need some lunch. Hello. This is the oldest restaurant here in Pest. I saw that on the sign outside. Ordered already a local beer. The name is Bernard. So this beer has the perfect bitterness. What I ordered is crispy goose leg with mashed potato and red cabbage. That is nice. That is braised very well. Crispy with the skin on. Just look how beautiful this meat is. Mashed potato. Lots of flavor as well, and red cabbage. Yeah, that's slightly sweet. And there's some balsamic sauce. The mashed potato is very flavorsome. And there's a little bit of pepper in there, some other spice. That is very crispy. So they put some foil in there on the leg so that you can eat it with your hands. Which I'm gonna do. This is really beautiful goose leg. Goose meat is similar to duck. I'm a big fan of duck meat, so I like this too. This meat is very tender, comes off the bone easily. Thank you for watching this video. I see you in the next one. And remember, keep on enjoying your food like I do.